In today's video, I will be drawing some overpowered characters, with the last one being an unlikely fusion or a what if scenario. Starting up, we have Jin Woo from Solo Leveling after receiving his reawakening and doing his daily training. Next up, we have Goku, Mastered Ultra Instinct, at his fight with Moro. And lastly, we have Naruto, but in this timeline, Pain won and took over his body. As always, thank you so much for watching. Kindly leave a like and subscribe to this channel.